How to apply for a loan on Universal Credit. Visit Universal Credit's website to check if you qualify for a personal loan. You can do this through their pre-qualification tool, which only takes a few minutes and won't impact your credit score. Once pre-qualified, you can complete the full application on their website. You'll need to provide personal details, name, address, date of birth, employment and income information, bank account details. After your application is reviewed, Universal Credit will present loan offers, if approved, including loan amounts, interest rates, and repayment terms. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Depending on your profile, Universal Credit may require additional documentation, like proof of income or bank statements, to verify your details. Upon approval, funds are typically deposited into your bank account within a few business days. Make sure you understand your loan terms and repayment schedule. Thanks for watching.